Elevate your home with no-drill Roman shades. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to install your no-drill Roman shades. Inside the product packaging, we've included a black hex driver. Use the hex driver to turn the extension bracket clockwise to lengthen it and turn it counterclockwise to shorten it, ensuring the shades fit perfectly onto the wall. The brackets on both sides are equipped with silicone to prevent sliding, ensuring a secure fit against the wall. Tiled and wooden surfaces provide better support than plaster walls. Step 1. Place the shade in your window frame. Press the side without the no-drill bracket against the wall and rotate the side with the bracket to ensure it is securely fixed. Step 2. Secure the fabric onto the shade. Make sure the shade covers the no-drill bracket for a cleaner, more aesthetic look. And that's it! Your no-drill Roman shades are now installed. If you'd like added stability, Cozyology also includes optional drill mount brackets you can install. Make sure they're placed where they won't interfere with the shade's movement.